What's the meaning of carbon credit? Carbon credit. Carbon credit.
Carbon credit. Carbon credit. Carbon credits are permits that allow organizations to emit a certain amount of greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide. The idea behind carbon credits is that companies can offset their carbon emissions by purchasing credits from other organizations that have surplus credits, or by investing in projects that reduce emissions. These projects may involve renewable energy, energy efficiency, or afforestation. The overall goal is to incentivize companies to reduce their greenhouse gas emissions and encourage the growth of low-carbon initiatives. Carbon credits have become a key component of many climate change mitigation strategies at the international and national levels.